Hi guys, this is 2009 Mitsubishi Triton. So this car had a problem is this cruise control is not working in the cluster. So you can see I turn in the ignition on. So normally cruise control light coming in here. So when you press the buttons, it's nothing happen anything. So that means cruise control is not working. So I found the problem is that this side inside coming for the spiral cable, that's one getting damaged. So that's why cruise control is not working. So I got the parts in the aftermarket, the Wreckers one. So this is the spiral cable. So I'm going to replace for this one to fix the problem. Need this tool is a T30. So you have to off this bolt, side bolt, this side, and another one coming that side. So off the thing. So this is the inside. They coming one airbag sensor wire and the horn wire. So this one going to the horn, this one going to the airbag steering wheel for this one. Okay, then after we need to off this the 17 mil nut. I got the 17 turn. Okay, then so wiggle it little bit, the steering wheel slowly. So then one connector in here, we need to off that one. Okay, this one go to the cruise control, this switch. There's another switch in here. Okay, carefully take it out. So you can see a lot of dust inside the clock spring. And I got the second hand one. Go like this way. For that we need to off these two covers. There comes some nuts in here. You can see one, another one here. Here are 3 nuts. Another nut in here, bolt in here. Okay, here's the bottom part. 3 nut, and after that you need the 2 small screws in here. That 2 need to off. Okay, they are lifted up this cover. Okay, so we clean it. Okay guys, we're going to install the new one. Make sure these notches get a line up. Okay, it's in. Now put back these connectors and plug back in. Okay guys, you put back the cover and install the 3 bolts. Okay, steering straight. You can see the 2 arrow mark. That's in the center. Okay, now then after I have to put the steering wheel back in. Okay. Then after you're going to put back for the airbag unit with the horn. Okay guys, finally we installed the cruise control, the spiral cable. So I got ignition on. I'm going to press the thing. You can see it's a cruise light is came on, turn off, turn on, off, on. So you can see that's a problem of the cruise controller for the spiral cable. So internal damage. So start the car. Okay, cruise light on, off, on. It's working fine. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We'll see you in the next one.